So can you tell me what your canvas is?
Like nature.
Like nature. Is this a particular location or just in your thoughts? Something you just painted in your thoughts? Okay. And how did it feel as you were painting?
I like painting, so it's nice.
Have you painted before? Okay. Is this like you do for a hobby or did you do it as a kid, like classes? Okay, that counts. And then how are you going to incorporate either your depiction or just nature into your quote unquote getting back to normal? Yeah, like around here there's a Davis Square bikeway. There's also the Minuteman Trail that goes here to Lexington, Arlington, like far. But you don't have to go as far, but there's nature routes and things of that nature if you ever want to just stroll around. Well, thank you for coming and participating.